Hi guys, it's Zlata from TemplateMonster, and today I'm going to show you how to install Shopify themes. I've chosen Pet Shop template created by Zemez. So first of all, you will need to create an account at shopify.com, as Shopify is a self-hosted e-commerce platform. I've already created a free trial account, but you may go ahead and choose one of their paid plans right away. Let's check our theme package. Please note that I've already extracted the downloaded zip file, and inside we have screenshots folder, sources folder, and our theme zip, which we need to upload in Shopify admin panel. Navigate to online store themes and upload theme zip in theme library section. Add file, upload. While it is uploading, I want to warn you that you will not see the images right after installation. It is not a bug or theme issue. The reason is that in old themes, all images were assigned to their locations in theme files, and it was not very comfortable to replace them there. Now images can be changed directly in Customizer, so you can simply add the images to their locations after theme installation. Done, our theme is uploaded. Now we can publish it. You can also do this later and edit the theme in preview. Refresh. Okay, it is installed. Let's upload some banner image to illustrate how it works. Please go to Customizer. I want to upload image to this banner. Here it goes. Select image, upload sources, images. There was a sleeping dog. Shopify also offers free images. You can also choose the image there. So our image is uploaded. Select, save. Changes saved. Let's check. Here is our image. I think that you've also mentioned that catalog is not available after installation, and it is not the issue too. There is simply no option to install it with a template right away. Though some authors add a file with products catalog to sources folder, and you can import it in products section. Here, products menu, import, add file, and choose products file from sources folder. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope that this video was useful for you, and if you are looking for ready-made Shopify themes to enhance your productivity and workflow, consider going to TemplateMonster digital marketplace. Thanks for watching. Bye.